Hey everyone! Welcome back to Talk and Learn English. I'm Lily.
And I'm Sam. Great to be here with you again. Lily, can I be honest with you about something?
Of course. What's wrong?
I feel like my English is stuck. Like I'm not getting better anymore.
Stuck? What do you mean?
I study, I listen, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out right. And the problem is, I have nobody to practice with.
Nobody to practice with?
My friends don't speak English. My family doesn't speak English. I live alone. There's nobody.
Sam, can I tell you something that might surprise you?
Please.
You don't need anyone else to practice English.
What?
You heard me. You don't need a partner, a teacher, or even a conversation to improve your spoken English every single day.
That sounds too good to be true.
It's not magic. It's a system. And today I'm going to give you that system. 15 minutes a day, completely alone, and your English will start moving again.
15 minutes? That's it?
That's it. And the best part? You can start tomorrow morning.
Okay, I'm listening. Teach me.
Let's do it. But first, quick favor.
If you find this useful, hit the like button.
Subscribe to Talk and Learn English for new episodes every week.
And share this with a friend who wants to improve their English too.
All right, let's fix your English, Sam, starting now. Before I give you the 5 techniques, I want to explain something important. Why does practicing alone actually work?
I always thought you needed someone to talk to correct you, to respond to you.
That's what most people think. But here's the truth. The biggest thing holding most learners back is not the lack of a partner. It's the fear of making mistakes in front of someone.
Oh, that's actually exactly my problem.
When you practice alone, that fear disappears completely. Nobody is judging you. Nobody is waiting for you to finish. You can make mistakes, repeat yourself, start over, and nobody cares.
So, practicing alone is actually less stressful than practicing with someone?
Much less stressful. And when there's no stress, your brain learns faster.
That actually makes a lot of sense. I freeze when people are watching me.
Exactly. And here's another thing. When you practice with someone, they do half the talking. When you practice alone, you do 100% of the talking. More speaking time means faster improvement.
More time speaking equals faster progress. I like that equation.
So today, I'm going to give you 5 techniques. Each one takes about 3 minutes. 5 techniques, 3 minutes each. That's your 15 minutes.
5 techniques, 3 minutes each. Simple.
Simple. Let's start with technique number 1. Technique number 1 is called mirror talk.
Mirror talk? I talk to a mirror?
Exactly. You stand in front of your mirror, in the bathroom, in your bedroom, wherever. And you talk to yourself in English.
What do I say?
Start simple. Look at yourself and say good morning. Tell yourself how you feel. Tell yourself your plans for the day.
Like, good morning. I feel a little tired today. I'm going to have coffee and then start work.
Perfect. That was already 15 seconds of spoken English right now, with no preparation.
It felt weird, though.
It always feels weird the first time. But here's why it works. When you see your own face, you automatically try to look confident. You sit up straighter, you speak more clearly, you slow down naturally.
So the mirror makes you perform better?
Exactly. And over time, that confidence you practice in the mirror transfers to real conversations.
Okay, I can do this. 3 minutes in front of the mirror every morning.
3 minutes. That's all. And every day, try to say something different. Monday, talk about your morning. Tuesday, Describe your room. Wednesday, talk about something that happened yesterday. Keep it fresh.
Different topic every day so it doesn't become boring.
Exactly. The mirror is your first conversation partner, and it never judges you.
The mirror has never once told me my English was bad.
See? Perfect conversation partner. Well, now, technique number 2. Think out loud.
Think out loud?
Most of us think in our native language all day. Think out loud means you take those thoughts and you say them in English instead.
So instead of thinking, I'm hungry, I want to eat something, I say it out loud in English?
Exactly. I'm really hungry right now. I think I'll make a sandwich. Actually, no. I want something warm. Maybe soup.
That's just my normal thinking, but in English out loud.
And the beautiful thing is, you're already an expert at thinking. You've been doing it your whole life. Now you're just changing the language.
Let me try. Okay, I'm sitting here talking to Lily. The room is quiet. I'm a little nervous, but also excited. I want to get this right.
That was wonderful, Sam. Natural, honest, and completely in English.
It felt more natural than I expected, actually.
Because you weren't performing for anyone. You were just thinking. And the more you do this, the more English becomes your default language for thinking. And that's when fluency really starts.
When English becomes the language you think in, not just speak in.
That's the goal. And think out loud is the fastest way to get there. Okay, technique number 3. Describe everything.
Everything?
Everything around you. Pick any object, any person, any scene, and describe it in English out loud.
Give me an example.
Okay, look at this room. Describe it. Go.
The room is quiet. There's a table in the middle. On the table, there's a microphone and a cup of coffee. The walls are, I don't know the word for that color.
That's fine. What do you do when you don't know a word?
I describe it instead like the walls are a light color between white and yellow. Warm.
Perfect. That's exactly what native speakers do. If you don't know the exact word, you describe it. It's a warm, light color, kind of like cream.
So not knowing a word isn't a failure. It's a chance to practice describing.
Exactly. In fact, describing things you don't have words for is one of the most powerful exercises you can do. It forces your brain to be creative in English.
Let me try with a person. My friend Tom is tall with short, dark hair. He's usually very calm, but when he talks about football, he becomes a completely different person. Very loud, very passionate.
That was a beautiful description, Sam. I feel like I know Tom already.
He would love to know you called him passionate.
The point is, you just spoke for 20 seconds without stopping. No hesitation, no freezing. That's what describe everything does for you. Now, technique number 4. Repeat and shadow.
Shadowing. I've heard of this one.
Good. Shadowing means you listen to a short piece of English and you repeat what you hear, trying to copy the exact pronunciation, speed, and feeling.
Like copying the voice?
Exactly like copying. You're not just repeating the words. You're copying the music of the language, the rhythm, the stress, the pauses.
Can you show me how?
Sure. I'll say a sentence and you copy me exactly. Same speed, same feeling. Ready?
Ready.
I've been trying to improve my English for months, and it's finally starting to click.
I've been trying to improve my English for months, and it's finally starting to click.
Good. Now faster, more natural, like you're really saying it to someone.
Been trying to improve my English for months and it's finally starting to click.
Much better. You hear how your pronunciation changed just from doing it twice?
It did feel more natural the second time.
That's shadowing working in real time. Your mouth is learning the shape of the language. And the more you do it, the more natural English starts to feel in your mouth, not just in your brain.
In your mouth, not just your brain. I like that.
For this technique, 3 minutes is perfect. Find 1 or 2 sentences you like from a podcast or a video and repeat them until they feel completely natural.
And it works even with this podcast.
Especially with this podcast. And technique number 5, my personal favorite, the 1-minute challenge.
What is that?
You pick a topic, any topic, and you talk about it in English for 1 full minute, non-stop.
Non-stop? What if I run out of things to say?
That's exactly the point. When you run out of things to say, your brain is forced to find more words, more ideas, more structures. That's where the real learning happens.
What topics work best?
Anything you care about. Your favorite food, your city, a movie you watched. The more personal, the better.
Can I try right now?
Go, 1 minute. Talk about your favorite place in the world, starting now.
Okay. My favorite place in the world is actually a small cafe near my apartment. It's not famous or special, but I've been going there for 3 years. The coffee is good. Not amazing, but good. And the owner, an older man, he always remembers my order. I don't know his name, and he doesn't know mine, but every morning I walk in, and he just starts making my coffee. No words needed. I think that's what I like most about it. It feels like someone in the world knows exactly what I need without me having to ask. Is that strange? Maybe. But that's my favorite place.
Sam, that was beautiful.
Was it okay? Did I make mistakes?
You made a couple of small mistakes. But honestly, I barely noticed because what you were saying was so genuine. And that's the whole lesson right there. When you have something real to say, the English finds a way out.
When you have something real to say, the English finds a way out. I want to remember that.
Write it down. That's the heart of this whole episode. Okay, Sam, let's build your 15-minute routine. Every day, same time. Morning is best, but whenever works for you.
Tell me exactly what to do.
Minute 1 to 3, mirror talk. Good morning to yourself. How do you feel? What's your plan today?
Good morning. I feel rested today. I'm going to have a productive day. I have 3 meetings and I'm going to speak English in all of them.
Perfect. Minutes 3 to 6, think out loud. Whatever is on your mind, say it in English.
I'm a little nervous about the first meeting. The client is new and I'm not sure what they want yet. But I've prepared well. I think it will go okay.
Minutes 6 to 9, describe everything. Look around and describe what you see.
I'm in my office. The desk is wooden and a little messy, honestly. There are papers everywhere. The window is behind me and the light is coming in from the left side. It's a quiet morning.
Minutes 9 to 12, repeat and shadow. 3 minutes with your favorite podcast or video. Copy everything, speed, rhythm, feeling.
Got it. And the last 3 minutes?
Minutes 12 to 15, the 1-minute challenge. Pick a topic and talk. Don't stop.
Any topic?
Any topic. Today's topic, what you're grateful for.
Okay. I'm grateful for this conversation, honestly. I came into it feeling stuck, and now I feel like I have a real plan. I'm grateful for Lily's patience because I ask a lot of questions. I'm grateful for English, actually. Even though it's hard, it's opened so many doors for me. New music, new books, new people I never would have met otherwise. I think that's why I keep going, even when it's frustrating.
And that right there is why you're going to get better, Sam. Because you actually care.
15 minutes. I can really do that every day.
Every single day. And after 30 days, come back and tell me what changed. Let's quickly recap your 15-minute daily routine.
Minutes 1 to 3, mirror talk. Speak to yourself, describe your morning, tell yourself your plans.
Minutes 3 to 6, think out loud. Take your normal thoughts and say them in English.
Minutes 6 to 9, describe everything. Pick any object or scene and describe it out loud.
Minutes 9 to 12, repeat and shadow. Copy a sentence from a podcast or video until it feels natural.
And minutes 12 to 15, the 1-minute challenge. Pick a topic and talk nonstop for 60 seconds.
15 minutes, every day, alone. And your English will never feel stuck again.
When you have something real to say, the English finds a way out.
That's all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for watching Talk and Learn English.
If this helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who says they have no one to practice English with.
Because now they do, they have themselves.
Now here's our question for you. Which of the 5 techniques are you going to try first tomorrow morning?
Tell us in the comments. We read every single one.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English. Starting tomorrow morning.